Assalamu alaikum. You are watching our YouTube channel Informational Palace and I am your host Ahmad with a new video. In this video I will tell you about how to check the detail and data of any unknown number, wrong number and your own number and friends also. Yes, after watching this video you can easily check the detail and data of any wrong number, any unknown number, any friend's number. You just need a app. You can download this app from clicking in the description of this video also, and you can also download this video from Play Store. Simply put here the name of the app like eService Pakistan. After this you can install this app. I already installed it. You simply install. After installing you give some permissions which required. After permissions app will be installed in your mobile phone, and after installing when you open the app such type of interface you can see. You simply say here many options. You simply click here phone number detail and you can see here enter number and submit option. Simply type here number which you want to detail, like I put here, and after putting this number you can submit, and after some moments you can see here all detail of this number. Yes, you can see here name, address to city, number, CNIC, other phone number detail, and when SIM is activated. Friends, in this way you can check the detail of any number, unknown number and wrong number, friends number and other family member numbers. Please don't use this video for irrelevant purpose. It's just for only educational purpose. Thank you for watching this video and please subscribe my channel.